I'm Suzanne Rust, lifestyle editor at Family Circle, and I'm here today with Laurie Schacht, the Toy Insider mom, and she's got 10 days of toys. Hey, Laurie, how are you?
Hi, Suzanne, and today we are going to take it outside and we are going to fly.
Fabulous.
We're going to start with our Drone Force Hovering Horror.
Okay.
And I love it. It's a teeny little drone with a little remote. We can fly this indoors or out, by the way. We can control it up to 50 feet away. But what I love is there's a remote control so we can control the up and down motion, or we can put it into a mode so that the palm of our hand is what actually controls this little drone.
Oh, it's different.
Tons of fun, and of course, it's made to crash, so kids can have a lot of fun with it. Okay, Sky Viper. This is our Sky Viper V2450 HD streaming video drone. So it's really cool. On this drone, kids are going to actually add their own device.
Okay.
They're going to put this up in the air. Now there's two different modes. In one mode, they're going to manually control this. It's a great drone to fly. Or they can put this in an auto mode so that they can pay attention to taking video and taking pictures.
Oh, that's great.
And one of the things that I love about this drone also is that it's made for beginner flyers as well as advanced flyers. So everyone's going to have a good time.
It's a little easier to manipulate.
Absolutely.
Great.
Okay, and finally, our Nico Air Race Vision 220 FPV Pro. So what that means is we don't need to add our own device to this.
Okay.
What we do is we turn this on, and everything that this drone sees, you see instantly.
Oh,
so I can
okay.
show this to you here, or we put it in the goggles that it comes with. Now you're the pilot.
That's great.
This is also one of those drones that from beginner to advanced, everyone is going to love it. And for our expert flyers, it also features a one-touch stunt button. There's over 16 stunts that kids are going to learn how to fly.
Over
and I say kids,
back.
I mean little and big kids, because everyone's going to love it.
Yeah, no, these are great. I love drones are fantastic. A lot of fun for
so
everyone.
much fun.
Well, thank you, Laurie.
You're welcome.
For these toys and more, go to thetoyinsider.com or familycircle.com.